Over a decade after his leukemia diagnosis, Larry Rosenberg's doctor told him there was just nothing left to do. But he didn't take no for an answer, and now thanks to Larry, a Colorado doctor and a local lawmaker, there is new hope for thousands of adults living with the disease. Our Kim Christensen has the story.
By heavens, these stocks are not going to do very well.
This is my office.
Step into 81-year-old Larry Rosenberg's home office.
Let's get to the trading action so far today.
And you'll find a now retired Larry taking risks, trading stocks.
No, I'll never stop unless I go broke doing what I'm doing. But no, it's in my nature.
And it's still in his nature, that persistence.
I'm doing stuff in the market that any financial advisor would say I'm nuts at my age.
Hitting a new 14-year high.
Like the stock market, hit the highs, avoid the lows, a motto he says for life.
Market's not doing anything.
Back in 2003, Larry was diagnosed with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, the most common leukemia among adults. For years, he forewent treatment and monitored his white blood cell count.
But then all of a sudden, about 2 or 3 years ago, it jumped way up.
He first tried a pill that didn't work, so then he tried chemo.
I got sick in the office while it just hit me that fast.
With that, Larry's doctor told him his options had run out.
And that was it. That was the end of it as far as I was concerned. It was just sit back and wait to die.
Just sit back and wait. With the persistence of his daughters, Larry searched for a clinical trial. And that led him to CU's Anschutz Medical Campus.
Because that's the only way we ever move things forward.
Dr. Dan Pollier put Larry on a combination of 2 drugs last fall.
Lenalidomide is what it's called.
And the primary drug, ibrutinib, is now available to the general public because of that trial and recent U.S. legislation.
Hi, Senator. Glad to meet you.
Larry.
Yeah, I'm Larry. Yeah.
Michael, nice to meet you.
I know who you are. Everybody knows who you are.
Senator Michael Bennet helped push that legislation through, the breakthrough therapy provision.
Yeah, I mean, has your is your way of life improved beyond just the health?
It gives drugs like ibrutinib that show positive results a faster path to FDA approval.
This is a game changer for this disease, for chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Having this therapy at our disposal changes everything.
So far, I've had basically 0 side effects.
Dr. Pollier credits Larry and the 2 others on his trial with making this treatment a reality for countless others.
It's a real testament to the pioneer spirit of these people to do this.
So I'll see how they're doing, see if there's any movement.
While this treatment is not a cure,
Well, it wasn't that much of a risk because I was going to die.
Larry is able to continue his treatment from the place where he feels most comfortable.
Yeah, I stay home, take the pills once each morning, and it's wonderful.
Pretty remarkable. Our Kim Christensen reporting the form of leukemia that Larry has, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, is responsible for 4,400 American deaths every year. Ibrutinib is now available to the general public. The Boston Herald named it one of the 10 medical innovations set to reshape patient care this year.
Wow.
Pretty scary to have a doctor tell you
Sure.
you can't fix anything anymore, but he's remarkable.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, great guy. Denver Nuggets Dan